guys, welcome to the Cheetah Academy. My name is Grant. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at how to insert images into our HTML documents. The reason why I want to teach this topic is that when I was actually learning how to insert images into my HTML documents, I watched a whole lot of videos, a whole lot of tutorials, and there are a lot of complex, uh, you know, lessons out there. I went to YouTube. I had to watch a whole lot, and it was whole lot of the lessons are confusing. To be sincere, I'm being very sincere here. A lot of the lessons are very confusing, and some of them went as far as it's not that they are not they are they are not correct. They are not right. The lesson was fantastic. That is for someone that is already advanced in when it comes to programming. But for someone that knows nothing about inserting images into HTML documents, I mean, you just have to go very low, and teach the person from the scratch. But that is the main reason why I'm making this video, right? That's the main reason I'm making this video, so that whoever that is stumbling on my video will, at that first hand, after once you watch this video, that first hand, you're just going to understand how to do this, and I'm going to make it very simple. I'll simplify it very well for you. So first of all, before we start, the first thing you need to do is that you need to create a folder where you have those pictures. So let's take a look at my desktop. Take a look at my desktop. My desktop right here, this insert image, right? The folder. If I open the folder, these are the images we're going to be using. These two of these images, Office 1, Office 2, right? And I've already created a folder for them, and I'm using a VS Code, that's Visual Studio Code, right? This is what I use for programming. So I think there are other softwares out there, but I think for me, this is what I use. So before anything at all, before you start working, first you need to import that folder. At least that is how I learned it. Import that folder, image folder, into your VS Code, into your workspace, right? So let's do that. You go to your file, and you go down to open folder. Then you go to your desktop right here, and this is our insert image. This is where the images are, the folder where the images are. So after importing this, the next thing we're going to do is that let's import our HTML snippets, and these are the HTML snippets. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see. Yeah, so you can see the screen. So this is the title, insert image. So we are going to save this document, right? And when you're saving this document you're saving right now should go into the same folder. This HTML document should go into the same folder where the images are, right? Because if this HTML document is not inside that folder, it will not work. So let's say Ctrl S. Here, let's say insert images.html. This is an HTML document, so you save it with HTML. So we are going to look for that folder, our image folder, right, which is the insert image here, and we're going to save this inside of that folder. That's the only way it will work. Now, here in the body, we're going to use the image tag. Whenever you're trying to insert an image into your HTML document, you're going to use your image tag, which is img, then source, that is the source, the folder, right, equal to. Now, you will, since we already have the image folder inside of our workspace here, we'll put the name of those images here. This is the insert image, the HTML document we just saved, which is also inside the folder. Now let's put this office.1, and be mindful. You still need to check the format of the picture. So the format of this picture here is a JPG, right? JPG. So office1.jpg. That's what we're going to do. So here you say office1, and If you're correct, if you're doing the right thing, you'll find that VS Code will automatically will auto complete this for you. This Office 1.jpg, right? Automatically, VS Code will extract the name for you. So I can just click enter and the name will be there, right? So this is it here. Let's close this up. Now, there are two images. This is one. So we're just going to copy this. Let's copy this. And the other image is 2. We have 1 and 2. So just change this to 2, right? Yes. So let's save this and let's run this and see how it appears on our browser. So here, let's run this. Start debugging. Let's use Chrome. So there you have it. It's working perfectly. This is the browser, my Chrome browser, and the images are there. Let me scroll down. So the images are there, right? So this is one of the simplest method on how to insert image into your HTML document. So you can save this video for later. You can watch this video over and over again, and till you fully understand it. So I'm going to see you in my next class. I'm going to see you in my next class. So you have a good day.